Good morning, my fellow d.tubians and steamians and people who use crypto decentralized things and silos and stuff where we put stuff in IPFS, interplanetary file system storage and stuffs. Anything but AdSense, right? I've started doing a daily video series, dead short, under 60 seconds, as a kind of square one by one Instagram style video. Mainly because at some point I'd like to build maybe like a Steam blockchain or applications that have been fostered from it channel on Instagram, or just be able to share it across the board really. But I want to do these on a daily basis because not only does it help me build templates, I built a whole template structure of how to build this like one by one. Normally it's like 640 pixels by 640, so I think the maximum allowed size is 1,000 by 1,000 on Twitter. Could be wrong, could be bigger. But I think it looks pretty good, like the whole square thing. Today I covered the fact that dtube has, in the little gear icon in the top right hand corner, support to show Avalon servers now. Now, you might not have noticed this because if you're not a witness Avalon witness leader, that's going to be such a meme now. Somebody's going to animate that. If you're not one of those Avalon leaders, then you wouldn't have known that there was an issue. If you'd have gone to the dtube website, you'd have probably noticed it because nothing was populated on the website. The whole point of something being decentralized is that it has redundancy. So what I'm noticing from the front end of the new dtube is that the building in what's called a round robin, which is if one website or one service or one IP range has fallen over, then it goes to the next one. Or at least I hope that's how it works. I know you can manually go in there now on the desktop on the website and select another one of the APIs. What does this mean for your average user? Well, you've been spoiled if you're a YouTuber or used any other video platform, because all of that stuff is natively being handled behind the scenes by hundreds of different engineers keeping that website online. IP addresses go wrong, servers fail, DDoSes, all kinds of stuff, right? So within literally 24 hours, we now have the ability to select a different IP address, which is a different leader, if you like, which will help populate the content on the website. Because all it's doing is it's going away to an API, an application programmable interface. I think I've probably got that wrong. And it's pulling back data from the Steam blockchain, things that you've posted. Sorry, not the Steam blockchain, the Avalon blockchain. Pulling things back from the Avalon blockchain of files that you've put up. And then the comments and everything else, they're all Steam comments. So it's using that API. For people who are used to YouTube, this can be a little bit overwhelming. All you need to know is that this is the new era of decentralized platforms in terms of lots of different servers all around the world with a community kind of feel of people running these servers to support an overall community, using the very latest technology, which can be a little bit clunky at times, but it's getting better all the time, called IPFS, which typically nerdy named is interplanetary file system, which is just a really fancy way of saying decentralized storage in the cloud. I'm really happy to see it. That's why I did a little video on it today. I kind of did the video from a perspective of like, you might not understand what this is, but go and have a look at it anyway. I think if we're going to get people to come across from YouTube and all these other sites and start looking for the next place to host their videos, then we need to kind of plant that seed of like, I don't have that on YouTube. I need to go and investigate and have a look at it. And I think we're going to get some of those people who will talk about it and just come and have a look and then realize they need a Steam blockchain and yada yada. We do some onboarding and hopefully get some retention that way. I'm also very keen to do dtube videos every single day because I do believe it is the best decentralized video option we have on the Steam blockchain. And I want to put these out every day this week. Eventually, maybe at the end of this week, I might sell this template, this ScreenFlow template, and so I can build all the layers in there, all the titles, all the text, all the animations and stuff, and then it's just a case of you recording your content and dropping it in. And I might charge for it because I'm definitely in the headspace of building templates right now. I feel like the rest of this month is going to be courses and templates, mainly just to bolster my income at the moment, and just for change. I want to change. That's what I do on a daily basis, is have a change. Anyway, go and check it out on my Twitter, twitter.com/Phil Campbell. If you're not following me, check out my tweet there. I put up today's dtube engagement video. Let me know what you think. Cheers. Bye.